Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find a profile's following list on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update. Whether you're trying to explore new accounts, manage who you follow, or just stay up to date with Instagram's changes, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and easy to understand. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, enter your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home feed, just like on your mobile device. Next, head to the top of the screen where you see the search bar. Type in the name or username of the profile you want to check. Instagram's search feature will show you suggestions as you type. Select the correct profile from the results to open their page. Now that you're on their profile, look for the section near the top that displays 3 numbers: Posts, Followers, and Following. These tabs are easy to spot right beneath the profile picture and bio. What you're looking for is the Following tab. This number tells you how many accounts this profile is currently following. Click on the word Following. Once you do, a list of all the accounts the profile follows will instantly appear in a pop-up window or sidebar, depending on the current layout of the Instagram app. You can scroll through this list to see every account the profile is following right now. If you want to search for a specific person within this list, use the mini search bar at the top of the pop-up window. Type in the name you're looking for, and Instagram will filter the list in real time. And that's it. It really is as simple as that. With this latest update, Instagram's desktop app keeps navigation straightforward. So whether you're exploring new accounts or organizing who you follow, you can do it seamlessly right from your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more straightforward Instagram tips and tutorials.